Welcome to all of you. Today we are going to discuss on the topic force and pressure. This topic is related to the class 8th physics. So first of all, you try to understand what is force. After that, we will reach on the pressure. So first of all, we try to define the term force. What do we mean by force? Force means simply we can say that any object, if we try to pull or push means we are applying a force on that object. Suppose this is door. For opening the door, I just pull the door, and for closing the door, I just push the door. So this is pull or push is known as force. Well, another example. Suppose one football is kept on the ground. Then I just kick the ball. If I just kick the ball, then the ball displays from this position to that positions. Means I just apply a force on this ball and the ball move from one place to the other place. Again, if I try to lift some book on the table, or I try to take chalk from the desk, these are the examples related to the force. So force, the pull or push on an object is called force. Pull or push. Well, the direction in which an object is pushed or pulled is called direction of force. Suppose I try to open the door. For opening the door, I just pull the door, means the direction of applied force in my side. Well, if I want to close the door, then I would like try to push the door, means I just push the door in opposite side. So the applied force in opposite side. So whatever is the direction of force, it depends on the direction of force. It depends on the applied force. For example, kicking a ball, closing or opening door, lifting a book, etc. Next, so force arises due to interaction between two objects. For the force production, force arises due to interaction between two objects. For example, kicking a football involves interaction between a ball and foot. If I just try to kick the football, then it is an interaction between my foot and the ball. So force arises. Second example, for lifting a book involves interaction between books and hand. If I try to lift a book from the table, then it is also an interaction between the book and my hand. Another example, for closing or opening the door involves the interaction between door and my hand. If I try to close or open this door, then there is an interaction between door and my hand. So it is necessary for arises due to interaction between two objects. So some more important points regarding force. Force is represented by capital F. फोर्स को लिखने का तरीका क्या है? कैपिटल एफ. इसको कैपिटल एफ से रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है, डिनोट किया जाता है. द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ फोर्स इज यूजुअली एक्सप्रेस्ड बाय इट्स मैग्नीट्यूड. व्हाट? द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ फोर्स. फोर्स की स्ट्रेंथ, ताकत, कि आपने किसी ऑब्जेक्ट पर कितना कम फोर्स लगाया है या कितना ज़्यादा फोर्स लगाया है, ये जो है ये मेजर किया जाता है या एक्सप्रेस किया जाता है उसके मैग्नीट्यूड से. मैग्नीट्यूड मतलब उसकी वैल्यू होती है. अब वो वैल्यू जो है वो क्या होगी, ये डिपेंड करेगा उसके इसकी जो क्वांटिटी है उसके हिसाब से अपन उसे क्या करेंगे, रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ फोर्स चेंजेस, द इफेक्ट ऑफ फोर्स इज ऑल्सो changes. If the magnitude of the force is changed, means if the strength of the force is changed, then its effect will also change. Try to understand what I am saying. Suppose one football is kept here, and if I kick slowly the ball, then ball will move slowly in forward direction. If I just tightly kick the ball, then ball will move very rapidly from this position to another position. So this is the strength. If the strength is more, then its effect is also more. Okay? It depends on the magnitude of the force. Another, the SI unit of force is Newton. Is very important line. Force जो SI unit है वो क्या है, न्यूटन, and it is represented by capital N. What is the SI unit? SI unit means in all over the world, some scientists from all over the world decided a special unit or a standard measurement for particular quantity. Here force is a quantity, so Newton is acceptable in all over the world. They have decided that force is measured in Newton. What is the full form of SI? System of International Unit. System of International Unit. So Newton is recognized as a SI unit of force.